Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video we're going to talk about the wonder skincare ingredient vitamin C. A lot of you might have heard me talk about vitamin C in the past as how amazing vitamin C is. It's the thing. Like everyone seems to be talking about vitamin C, and here's the reason why. It's the powerhouse. It's a powerhouse of all things awesome for your skin. It has so many benefits. But here's the thing, guys, when you're using vitamin C, you need to use it correctly. There are some mistakes which a lot of people make. Even I used to make these mistakes. And just a few very simple things that you want to keep in mind when you're using vitamin C, okay? So we'll be talking about vitamin C, what it has done for my skin. Like a lot of you keep asking me, Prachi, what's been up with your skin? Why is your skin looking so great off late? Guys, here's the answer, vitamin C. So what product have I been using? I'll just quickly tell you what I've been using. This is Plum 15% vitamin C serum with Mandarin. So 15% vitamin C, you know right in the name itself how much vitamin C it has. You don't have to go through the ingredient list to see if it even contains any vitamin C or not, or how much percentage. It's right there. So it contains 15% vitamin C. And oh, by the way, full disclaimer, guys, this was sent to me by the brand in a PR kit. But like when I started using it, I fell in love with this product, which is why it is made to my personal skincare routine. I really like it. My skin has responded to this very visibly. Now let's understand, what does vitamin C do to your skin? Because it contains 15% vitamin C, it's a good formula, right? But what does vitamin C do? Starting with the most basic thing of all, vitamin C is a very powerful antioxidant which helps in dealing with the free radicals. Okay, so what does an antioxidant mean? When an apple falls from the tree, it starts to rot, isn't it? That's because of the oxidation process. Now, as living things, oxidation process is a very normal process in our bodies also. Vitamin C is an antioxidant which will prevent your skin from going bad. In the easiest way, that is how we explain what an antioxidant does. Apart from that, it helps in dealing with dark spots, blemishes, sun damage, deal with skin dullness. It helps to boost the collagen production in your skin. If you have signs of aging, it can help in dealing with that too, slowing down the signs of aging. So overall, it gives you a youthful looking, bright, happy, fresh. It adds that boost of energy to your skin to make your skin look really good. So like I said, it's a powerhouse of all things awesome. That's what vitamin C does. And why specifically this serum, the Plum 15% vitamin C with Mandarin serum? Because number one, 15% vitamin C, and like we just discussed, vitamin C has so many benefits. So you see the difference. You actually see the difference. Not like one of those products in the market where they say, okay, it's a vitamin C serum, but there's hardly any vitamin C. That doesn't happen here. You actually see the results. And Plum Goodness is a good brand. I know a lot of you already love this brand. I keep getting questions about this brand from you guys. So yes, it's definitely one of my favorite beauty brands too, guys. It's a vegan, 100% vegan, cruelty-free brand, which is a big thumbs up. I love it when beauty brands care about these things. Also, the brand is all about being good quality ingredients, and the being good philosophy. So being good to your skin, being good to your senses, being good to the planet. I think it ticks all the right boxes. And as for this particular serum, let me just show you the consistency up close. So a very lightweight serum with no artificial colors, fragrances, or essential oils added. It's also paraben free, and like I just said, cruelty free and 100% vegan. So it's a brilliant vitamin C serum packed with antioxidants and glow boosters such as 15% ethyl ascorbic acid, which is a stable and quick absorbing vitamin C derivative to give you radiant and healthier appearance. It also contains Japanese Mandarin, which in short boosts performance of vitamin C and collagen production, and Kakadu Plum, which is the richest plant source of vitamin C. So how do you use the serum, and what are the mistakes to avoid while using vitamin C serum? So clean the skin really well, and guys, just a quick tip, use something which is lightweight, okay, and easy on the skin, like green tea or tea tree, because these will clean your skin without being harsh on your skin. And I would definitely say, when you're using vitamin C, very important tip, when you're using vitamin C, don't use any cleansers with chemical exfoliator. So AHA, BHA cleansers, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, don't use any of these things because these are acidic in nature, and then we are using vitamin C that could throw off the skin's natural pH balance. Clean the skin really well, and after that, take a few drops of the serum and just apply it on the face. While applying it, you'll see that the skin absorbs it very quickly, like it's happening here, and then seal it with a nice lightweight moisturizer. So you can use something with vitamin E or hyaluronic acid. These are great options with vitamin C. Okay, let me repeat. With vitamin C, you can use something like vitamin E moisturizer, hyaluronic acid moisturizer. These are very safe, and they go really well with vitamin C, okay? And the most important tip of all, a very big mistake that even I used to make, that is, make sure, I used to make the mistake of not doing this. Please make sure that after you're done with this routine, apply your sunscreen if it's the daytime. Vitamin C and sun don't go well. Okay, so make sure you lock it in with a sunscreen if you're using this during the daytime. Here are the little things that make a difference. Like I just said, vitamin C does not like the sun because sun rays will oxidize vitamin C, and then vitamin C is no longer effective to you. So you have to protect vitamin C from sun rays. That's very important. And if you see the packaging, it's a glass packaging, but it's not transparent glass. The product has been packed in amber glass packaging so that there is no such problems. Small things that make a difference, guys. I really recommend that you try this out if you're looking for vitamin C serums, or if you're just looking for a new serum, something to add that glow, boost of energy, to deal with sun damage. Like I said, vitamin C has a lot of benefits. It's an antioxidant. It can do so many amazing things to your skin. If you want, you can check this out. What I'll do is I will put the link for this product in the description box below, along with my coupon code VCWOW10. VCWOW10 mentioned right here as well for 10% off on all Plum products. You can use this across website. And yes, all details in the description box below. In case I forget something, I'll put that in the description box below as well. In the meanwhile, guys, if you have any questions, please share your questions with me in the comment section below. If you have tried out this product in the past, let me know, or if you're currently using this, let me know how your experience has been. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day, everybody, and don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.